Hi everyone, my name is Marisa Stone and I'm the founder of the Systems Lounge. In the spring of 2018, I was blessed with the opportunity of a lifetime. I was asked to be the assistant director for the CF Design Academy, a project designed to bring marketing teams to deserving nonprofit organizations from across the globe. This project has raised hundreds of thousands of much needed dollars for select NPOs who are changing the lives of those they serve. This project is the brainchild of business and launch strategist Chad Thibodeau. And while working alongside Chad to select a group of 80 interns and 10 coaches from over 700 applicants, I was able to meet some extraordinarily talented marketers. One of those marketers was Mitch London. From the very beginning, Mitch stepped up and rose to the position of coach over his team of 8 interns. They met with their NPO and they spent 12 full weeks building out 3 different funnels, an entire email marketing sequence and strategy, Facebook and Google ads to drive traffic, and they even closed multiple security risks that the NPO was struggling with on their WordPress site, thereby protecting them and their donors from seriously dangerous hacks on the internet. So let me tell you a little bit more about Mitch. Mitch is absolutely your Swiss Army knife of marketing. He always greets everyone with a smile, no matter how challenging the task at hand, and his positive attitude allows him to motivate his team to get the job done. He believes in this idea of whole and healthy marketing systems, and he puts them together using innovative ideas to build out funnels, ad campaigns, and even elite influencer marketing strategies that work together to consistently 10x the engagement and revenue of his clients. If you are looking for a sales and digital marketing innovator, I absolutely cannot recommend Mitch London highly enough. You'll find him over at mitchlondonmarketing.com. And hey, don't forget to tell him Marisa sent you.